Bangladesh versus Afghanistan, both teams playing XI. First ODI, 5th July 2023. Bangladesh team playing 11. Number 1, Liton Kumar Das, wicketkeeper batsman. Number 2, Tamim Iqbal Khan, opening batsman. Number 3, Nazmul Hossain Shanto. Number 4, Sakif Al Hassan. Number 5, Tauhid Ridoy. Number 6, Mushfiqur Rahim. Number 7, Afif Hossain Dhruvo. Number 8, Mehdi Hassan Miraz. Number 9, Taskin Ahmed. Number 10, Muhammad Hassan Mahmood. Number 11, Mustafizur Rahman. Afghanistan team playing 11. Number 1, Rahmanullah Gurbaz. Number 2, Ibrahim Zadran. Number 3, Rahmat Shah. Number 4, Haidar Shahidi. Number 5, Najibullah Zadran. Number 6, Muhammad Nabi. Number 7, Rashid Khan. Number 8, Azmatullah Omarzai. Number 9, Mujibur Rahman. Number 10, Naveenul Haq. Number 11, Fazil Haq Faruqi. Which team will win the first ODI?